My name is Mark. I'm a resident of Kamukunji constituency, na asubuhi tumeamkia madhara kubwa sana kwa hii bridge yenye na connect Isili South na Embakasi West. So imekuwa mambo mbaya sana kwa sababu hii ndio link ya kuconnect these two wards ama these two constituencies. Leo asubuhi tumeamkia tukapata bridge imeporomoka na imeleta madhara kubwa kwa sababu na nyumba zenye ziko line hapo zote zimekuwa swept away. So we are appealing to the national government, and we are also appealing to the county government, Mr. Sakaja, to respond to our request to ensure that the people who elected him are safe. We are appealing to county government because this thing has been here for the last 6 years. Day in, day out, the residents have been crying in and out to have the bridge reinforced, but unfortunately the concerned authority has never taken it into consideration. So the schools are opening on Monday. We don't have any public school in Isili South around here. All our children walk through this bridge, and all our parents and all our residents. So we are appealing to the Mr. Sakaja and to the county kindly to come to our rescue, to respond to the bridge so that we can have a smooth running of our daily activity.